We are en route to Indianapolis, Indiana, where we're going to be attending the Performance Racing Industries, also known as PRI, Convention Vendor Trade Show, where we're going to get a chance to see some of the new products for 2025 and see some of the friends and some of the vendors that you might see familiar here on the channel. Okay, we have arrived at the Holiday Inn here in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's been snowing out in Ohio. Look how much salt's on my truck. This is ridiculous. I couldn't even see out of my rear camera. Look at this. I guess there's a courtyard over here that has like a little shuttle going on, so I'm going to check in real quick and let them know I'm here. So once we landed in Indianapolis, we were able to pick up one of the shuttle buses. Now, the shuttle buses go to multiple hotels and take everyone to the convention center, so you don't have to worry about parking. Really nice little feature at PRI. They drop you off literally in front of the convention center and pick you up as needed. So now it's time to go get checked in and registered, as we're about to enter the floor where there's like 2,000 vendors that we get to go check out. Guys, I'm going to try to bring you as much content as I can from it. I didn't get a whole lot. I just wanted to bring it to you in the channel, give you an idea what it looks like. PRI is one of the biggest events of the year for us. It's kind of marks towards the end of the year for the race season. Lots of vendors, lots of enthusiasts, good friends, and good times. PRI is a 3-day event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're going to go check out some of the vendors that we have interest in for our channel. Naturally, Liberty Gears is definitely one of the top of the list.
Look at the monitor at the 8, 113.4.
I'll try it.
You'll know when I squeeze it. You'll know when I squeeze it. This bitch should go 125 on the 8.
Easy. All day with those 227s. With those AV boy 227s.
Yep.
All right, real question. Hang on. Yeah.
Be honest. How much do you have in this whole thing right here? That right there. What do you have in that?
Tree
I had
fit.
the whole motor would be done for $5,000.
I had 2,000.
So we made our way over to Stifflers and check out Brian and Tom's setup at the booth. They got some new products coming out for 2025 I wanted to show you here on the channel. I ended up shooting it in 4.3 and I forgot that I was supposed to be in 16.9, so apologize about the video. So we're here with Stifflers with Brian and Tom Clark.
We launched a new set of seat rail extenders here at the show. Worked from 79 to 04, worked on power seats, non-power seats, no mods required for the car. Great product for anybody 6 foot or over. We've got our rear coilover kit. This one here is for a mini tub car. We also have it coming out for a non-mini tub, and these will be available in Q1 of 2025.
Okay.
Over here, some of our cross members of different varieties and applications, and of course drive shaft safety loops, upper control arms for the F-150.
Here we have our always famous fit system. Sell a ton of these. Subframe connectors on steroids. And this display also has our cross member and drive shaft safety loop.
So this is perfect. This is like a one-stop right here. This is what it looks like.
Yeah, that's the bottom view of the car right there.
Sweet. A lot of good stuff coming with Stifflers 2025. Thanks, Brian. Thanks, Tom, for everything.
Yes.
We'll see you guys soon. Even though we only got to see the show for half a day on Friday, we got a lot done. We'll look forward to day 2, where we get a chance to get the whole day and walk the floor. All right, we on day 2. What'd you say about the coffee?
Just run through a wall. Let's go.
Like the Kool-Aid guy? Like the Kool-Aid man?
Stick shit, bro.
So I'm here with Handler Motorsports and my man Zach. We're on our way back to PRI today. We were gonna stop at Waffle House.
Yeah, we hungry.
We hungry.
Yeah, we like to eat.
Yeah. So we're a little bit late.
Always.
But Saturday is the day that we don't.
Right,
Really,
it's like a half day.
It's like a half day.
Yeah.
So. PRI is a 3-day event. Unfortunately, we can't come down on Thursday, and we only got a little bit of time on Friday, so we made use of it. Today will be the day we get a chance to walk around and see some good products, some good people, and talk to some of the vendors. In all my years of doing Fox body stuff, one of the biggest complaints was the fact that the car was just too small. So Stifflers came out with the seat rails. I wanted to show you guys one more time as it moves the seat back and down an inch for those folks that are taller or heavier that have a problem getting in and out of the car.
These are the seat adjusters, so your head doesn't hit the ceiling.
Yeah.
5'6". I got another set. My head hits the
these
ceiling.
are fire.
These things are awesome, man.
So this will make it so your car, so you can actually, the taller guys can get in the car in a Fox body, because that's one of the biggest complaints is when they get in a Fox body, it's like my head hits the ceiling and my feet are like, my legs are crammed underneath the dash.
Brian was telling us, look how good the welds are on these things.
Yeah.
Look how strong that's going to hold
That's
you in the
you,
car.
isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Talk to me, guy.
Very, very nice. Very nice. So as you can see, there's just a ton of stuff here at this show to look at. Again, I apologize for not getting a whole lot of content for you, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looked like at PRI this year in 2024. Made our way over to the Trickflow booth to meet up with some of our friends here on the channel and check out some of the new products they have going on. At the Trickflow booth, got a chance to meet up with our friends AV Boys and Miss Midnight Maverick, Tony and Tess. Well, here at PRI, they're giving away a top-end kit with a brand new set of Trickflow 227 heads, an intake, and a man cam stage 5.
Ben Hoffman. Information. Ben Hoffman bought one.
If you haven't already followed the channel, you should, as they do a lot of giveaways like this with some really good stuff. Today here at PRI was the first day that Trickflow offered the brand new Trickflow 227 11Rs for sale. These are the same cylinder heads that we're going to be teaming up with Trickflow in 2025 on our coupe. Some of the best cylinder heads you're ever going to buy. These heads are available in 58 and 66 cc chambers, and the 66 chamber will be available first quarter 25. We look forward to working with them and also look forward to how much power we can make with them. So we started making our way over to the McLeod booth to meet up with our buddy Tyler Garlock and Bear Dillinger from McLeod Racing.
Tyler Garlock, who has been a stick shift phenomenon in Ohio with the No Prep Stick Shift Point Series that we have done in collaboration with Tremec, McLeod, Liberty Gears. Just tell us real quick what it's taken to get to this point.
So for the past 2 seasons, I've been using McLeod RXT 1200 HDs behind a Gen 3 Hemi and a Tremec T56 Magnum. It's in a 98 Mustang. It's been a clutch that has taken me 840 at 172 in the quarter mile, and we've gone 5.4 at 133 in the 8th mile. With McLeod's help, the clutches have been rebuilt just once per season, but have never failed during the season. I just give it a single off-season rebuild, and they can still be used. I'm just refreshing it to keep the race program new at the beginning of the season. The clutch also drives on the street. I've completed 4 Dragon drives over the last 5 seasons without a McLeod clutch failure. The clutch has been the least of my concerns. I've had other problems, but the clutch hasn't been a problem, even at the level of stick shift racing we're doing.
What's your plans for 2025? You coming out with a new driveline, new chassis?
Still, we got a freshly rebuilt RXT 1200. It's going to go behind the same Hemi that was in the Mustang that is now coming out and going to be in a 1982 Ford Fairmont.
Oh, nice.
So the car is 600 pounds lighter and significantly safer.
And you've made well over 4 digits on this, to the wheels.
We've made 1,249 wheel horsepower.
Wow.
Through the, with the Hemi and the McLeod clutch.
So it's like a 1,400 crank. We look forward to 2025 season. We got a lot going on. Tyler Garlock's coming out with a new chassis. There's probably a dozen of other guys that's coming out to have some stick shift fun with us this next year. So we look forward to be running with McLeod once again, and I look forward to doing more stick shift stuff with my stick shift friends.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you, Tyler, for
Thank
everything.
you.
So we walked around for a few more hours. There's so much to see. I highly suggest if you ever get a chance to make the trip to PRI, it's definitely worth it. A lot of vendors, a lot of people. There's no way you can see it all in one day. Got a chance to see some of our friends that we don't normally get to see very often, collaborate with some of the vendors and sponsors from the channel. And also a big shout out to Tyler, as this is where we were going to give away the trophy. But that's it for 2024. So we got to head home, get our plans ready for 2025 on what we're going to do. But if you guys enjoy this sort of content, make sure you leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out that join button, become a member of the channel. We got merch at neomustangs.com. Go check that out. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you soon in the next one.